Okay, and those banners may lead you to jazz up a vase with some floral, but since not much is blooming this time of year, what about paper flowers? Metallic Fern gives us an easy how-to.
Have you ever wanted your table to just have something a little bit extra and you're sick of replacing those flowers time and time again because we know they just don't last long enough? Well, Adams really has solved the answer to this problem, and we're doing a little arts and crafts today. So let's go through, is it the continuous flower we're looking at first?
Yes, we're gonna do a continuous flower. So we're gonna be using Italian weight crepe paper. It's a little bit heavier than some crepe paper, and I like it because it keeps its form. So this is how it comes in a big old long tube. So we need to cut this down to get it to the shapes we like. So I've got our little squares cut down, and we're going to be using just these Martha Stewart paint tubes as a kind of form, and we just go around the tube. There are these seams in the crepe paper, and we're going to use that kind of as our edge for the bottom. And then we just start forming, kind of squeezing and making it into a nice tube. And then now you can kind of just move it, fold it into itself a little bit.
And we actually have different stem options from all of these different flowers.
Yes. So these ones are the simplest ones. This is just a little bud, and then this one's a knotted bud. And then we also have fringe centers, which is a little bit more fun. I'm gonna use one of those and just stick it right in to that hole you've created. And now you just need to put a little adhesive on there. This is a Tombow adhesive. I like it because it has two different ends. This really tiny point here is going to give you a lot of control with the flow.
And do you actually recommend pushing that stem up?
Yeah, you know, you want to see it a little bit. Now we need to finish it off with the floral tape. So let me grab an end here. You're going to start just at the base of your crepe paper. And then wrap it around. And then once you get started, you can just flow it really easily down. That's the fun part, quick part.
Okay.
There you go.
So any tips for this?
For the tape?
Yes.
Yeah, so you just kind of want to squeeze it together and then just go around it a couple times at the base of the crepe paper. And then once you feel like it's secure, then just pull it down.
You want to watch hers how-to, and mine how to not.
Well, this is your first try, and you are already doing great.
Okay, can you cut that for me?
Of course.
There we
go. And then once you kind of got the tape secure, then that gives you a lot more freedom to kind of move it around.
Well, Amy there is so talented. She also does hand lettering, is going to teach a joint workshop at Peppermint Sea Studio on November 15. Coming up, she's going to show us how to make a multi-leaf flower.